Hi guys, welcome to my channel Education and Masti. So today we are going to start with the last part, that is part 4 of our maths chapter of factorization, and the topics we are going to deal with are first factorizing trinomials and second we will solve some examples. So first let's deal up with this topic, factorizing trinomials. So first we need to know about what is this trinomials. Let me write and show you what is this trinomials. So the number, something, the digits, what you can say like this, x square plus 7x plus 12 in algebraic form is called trinomial. Okay, so here what is the meaning of this factorizing trinomials? I am going to make you understand that one. Okay, so how we will factorize these trinomials? We have to follow some steps so that we can factorize this one. So number one is that we have to find a pair of factors 12 such that their product is 12 and their sum is 7. Understand? Like here, when we'll multiply this x square and 12, what we will get? 12x square. Okay, and what we have to do is that after, if like 7x I have to bring, okay, I have to bring 7x. Instead of 7x I will bring two numbers. So x square plus 12 here. Then what will happen? I will take 3x plus 4x. Here what I am doing? I am making this number into two words. I am breaking this number. Okay, I am making this number 3x plus 4x. So when we will multiply 3x into 4x, we will get 12x square. And when we will add this both, then we will get 7x. Did you understood what I am telling? Like if we are adding this number, we are getting 7x. And when we are multiplying this number, we are getting 12x square, what we need. So here in this, what we have to take care of is that the middle number we have to break down into two more numbers. And while we will add it, we will get the same number like 7x. And when we are multiplying it, we have to get the product of the first and second number. You rewind this thing, this what I have said, and you will understand it easily. So now moving to the next thing, what we have to do. Okay, so we got now what we have to do, x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. Okay, now we understood this, what we have to do. Now we have to take in pairs. So we will take any one in pairs we can take. I will take the pair of x square plus 3x and 4x plus 12. I will take as a pair. So now the common one we have to take. So x here we will take as common, then x plus 3, then adding here. So here in this 4 and 12 both comes in a table of 4. So I will take 4 as out. So x plus 3. So therefore the answer what we get is x plus 3 and x plus 4. The common one, both one we will write here, and this both we will write here. So this is how we got the answer. This is how we have to factorize trinomials. Two things we need to keep in mind is that the first number and second number, when we will multiply, we should get the breakdown of this two number. Like when we are breaking the middle number. So the breaking of middle number, like I got here 3x plus 4x. So when I will multiply it, I should get the product of the first and second number. And when I add it, I should get the middle number from which I have broken down this number. So now it is clear. Now let's solve some examples. Going to solve the examples. So let's take the first example. So the first example we will take is a square plus 13a plus 40. What I told you to remember is that when we will multiply a square into 40, so like when I am breaking this 13a, okay, I am breaking this 13a, so the two numbers what I will get, we will multiply and I should get 40a square, and if I will add, I will get 13a. Like that I have to choose the number. So which numbers? So 13, how it will come? By adding 8a plus 5a, we will get 13a. Yes, of course we will get. So a square plus 8a plus 5a plus 40. Okay. So plus 40 I have done now. Now we will take it separately and do. So let's take separately a square plus 8a and 5a plus 40 as a separate digit or a number. Now what I will do here, the common one I will take. So a is common in both, so a plus 8 here like this, and plus here both comes in the table of 5. So 5 I will take here out, and 5 8s are 40. So therefore the answer what we get is a plus 8 and a plus 5 as the answer. So this is our answer. I hope you have understood this. Now moving to the next example. So one trick I will tell you how you can easily solve this. Like you have to find which number I will add and I will get 13. So this was so easy, but in moving questions you will get a harder one, a difficult one. So how will you able to find out? So the perfect thing is that like 40 a square I am getting. So 40 I have to find. So rather I will take out the factors of 40. Okay, like factors of 40 are how much? What? 2 is a factor, 3 is not the factor, 4, then 5, not 6, 7, then 8 is the factor, and 10 and 40 itself is the factor, and 20 is also the factor. Okay, so now in here how we will find out 8 5. Now 8 5s are 40, we know. Okay, 8 5s are 40, like 5 8 the 40 or 8 5 the 40. So therefore we will get 5 plus 8 or 8 plus 5. So like this, by taking out the factors and multiplying each and getting, you can also do it rather than wasting your time in thinking all those things. So this was an important thing in my view. So you can use this trick to find the answer also. So now second one what we will do is, let's take the question. So let's take the question of x square plus 13x minus 48. Okay, this is 13x minus 48. Let me write it once again. Now we will solve this question. Here one side minus 48 is given, so we have to think in mind and do this one. So how will you do? So first 48's factor, as I told you, we will take out the factor of 48. So what are the factor of 48? The factor of 48 are 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. And more 2 to the 4, then 48. So 24, then 3 ones are 3, 4, 3, 5, 15, 3, 0, 18, 16. Then 12 is also the factor, and this much, and 48 one of the factor. Okay, so here what we have to do, let's see what will be the factor. So 16, how much you will multiply with 16 to get 48? 16 threes are, and when here you see minus 48 it is written, so we will write it 16 minus 3. So 16 minus 3 it is given, then we will get 13, and then we will do 16 into minus 3, then we will get minus 48. So here we got how we have to do and what we have to apply the trick here. So now we will write the next step. So x is x square plus 16 minus 3 minus 48. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to separate each other. So now we will take x square plus 16 in 1 and minus 3 minus 48 in 1 we will take. So now here the common one, here you see there is 16x and 3x it is given. Sorry, I forgot to write 16x minus 3x it will be. Okay, so here also x and here also x it will be there. Now here in this common is x, so x I will take out and I will write x plus 16. Okay, x plus 16 I have written, then minus here I will write, and the common both comes in the table of 3, so I will write here 3, then x plus 16, because 3 16s are 48. So therefore the answer we will get is x plus 16 and x minus 3. So for means again if we have to reduce, how we will reduce, let me tell you. So we can reduce it more, like you can write here 4 and all, but this is the easiest way how you can do the thing. So we will not do any interchange, and this will be the answer. Now let's go to the next question. So this is the answer here. Okay, so the next question, let's take the next question. So let's take the question 6a square plus 19a plus 10. Okay, now let's solve this question. So here what is 6 into 10? It is 60. So 60, forget this a square for a moment and do this. So 60, what are the factors? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and more are there, like 20s or not 20, 30 is there, then 20 is also there, and 1 is 4, 5, 6, 15 is also there, then 5 and the 5, then 1 it will go there, 12, and many are there, and 60 now itself. So this much is there, the factors of 60. So you write those numbers only which are more important. Don't write this 2-digit numbers. These 2-digit numbers are not that important. Only 10 is the important 2-digit number you have to write here. Okay. So now 60. So what you will write as, you will get 19 here. So like 4. How much you will multiply with 4? You will get 60. You will multiply 15 with 4. So 15 into 4 is 60. And 15 plus 4 is 19. So now we got what we have to do. Now let's do that next step. 6a square plus 15a plus 4a plus 10. Okay. Now in the next step what we will do, we will take in common. So let's take in common 6a square plus 15a and 4a plus 10 in common. Okay. Now, what we will do here, in this what is common? 3 and a is common. 3 means 6 and 15 comes in the table of 3 and a is present in both. So 3a I will write here, and 3 to the 6, 2a because square. Then 3 for the 15. Okay. Now here plus, and here common is 2. So we will take out 2. 2 to the 4, 2a plus 2, 5 is 10. So now we got the answer, that is 2a plus 5 and 3a plus 2. So this is our answer. Now let's move on to the next question. I hope you are understanding what I am teaching. So the next question will be, wait a moment. Okay. So the next question will be 3x square minus 10x plus 8. Okay. So here also we will apply the trick what I have told you. 8 3 the 24. So 24, what are its ones factors? 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 8 and 24 itself is the factor. So now here what we will do? So let's find out. So what you will multiply with 6 or what you will multiply with 4 to get 24? So 6 4s are 24 we get, and when we do 6 plus 4 we get 10. But here what it is given? It is given minus 10. So how will you write? You will write minus 6 plus minus 4. You will get minus 10. And when you will multiply minus 6 into minus 4, you will get 24 only, because minus into minus equals to plus. Okay. So now we got it. What we have to do? Minus 6 minus 4. So now let's do that. So 3x square minus 6x minus 4x plus 8. And now as usual we will take in common 3x square minus 6x and minus 4x plus 8. Okay. So now what we will do, x and 3 is the common here. So 3 I will take out and x minus 2. Then here I will take out here plus, and I will do the thing what I have to do here. So we will take out here 2, or we can take out 4 also here. So rather take out 4, and this one I will take here minus. Okay. So 4. Then x plus, or you will write here minus. Okay. Why minus I will write here? Because already we know that it is plus 8. So minus into minus is plus. So 4 to the 8. So therefore the answer we get is x minus 2 and 3x minus 4. Okay. So this is fifth number question is 12x square minus 19x minus 10. So how do we know? We have to now get the LCM of this one. Means we have to get the product. 120 So the factors of 120 are 2, 3, 6, 4, 5 and many are there. So I will take this one digit number. So what I will multiply with 5, that I will get 120. I will get definitely 24. 24 5s are 120. So 24 5s are 120 I am getting. But that will show us that here minus 19x and minus 10 is written. So how we will write? We will write here minus 24 plus 5. So definitely we will get minus 19 only as the answer, and then we will multiply, we will get minus 120 only. So therefore this we will write now. And now let's take the next step. So 12x square minus 24x plus 5x minus 10. So I will take in common as usual 12x square minus 24x and 5x minus 10 in the common. Okay. So now what I will do here is the common one you have to take out. So 12 and x will be the common one we will take. So we will take it 12 and x. So x minus 12 to the 24. So 2 here I will write. Then here I will write plus, then 5x minus 2. Why? 5 to the 10. Okay. So therefore the answer what we'll get is x minus 2 and 12x plus 5. Still we can reduce this, but both are different. So we will leave this one. So the answer what we get is x minus 2 and 12x plus 5. Okay, now let's solve the next and the last question, that is 6, and this will be a little bit different question. Last question, the 6th number question is 5x plus 2 square plus 6x plus 2 plus 1. So you might be thinking how we have to solve this question, because this is little bit different question. So this is the very easy question. This is also like similar like that question what we have solved. Here one thing what we have to do is that we have to remove this x plus 2, and in that place we have to keep something else. So let x plus 2 equals to only x. Okay, let x plus 2 be x, and after that when we will get the answer we will multiply and bring the answer. Okay. So let x plus 2 be x. So what will happen now? We will get 5x square plus 6x plus 1. Okay. So now we have to find the we have to find 5x now. Okay, 5x we have to find. So it is very much simple. What we will do? 5x square plus 5x plus 1x plus 1. So we got 6x as well as the product, that is 5x square. So now what we will do, we will take in pairs 5x square plus 5x and 1x plus 1 we will take in pair. Okay. So now what we will do, we will take in common. So 5x here total together we will take in common. Then x plus 1 we will do. Then plus here we will take 1 in common and write here x plus 1. So therefore what we get is x plus 1 and 5x plus 1. But it is not finished till now. If you will leave till here, you will get only half marks, and half marks will be incorrect. Now if you will leave to it here only, you will get only half marks of this question. So now rest what we have to do. So here what we have to do, x plus 1 it is given to us. Okay. So x plus 1 it is given to us. So what we will do here? So x, as I told you, we took x plus 2 as x. So we will write here x plus 2 plus 1 here. And here 5x is there. So we will write, see here bracket, double bracket one we will take. So we will write here 5 into x plus 2 plus 1. Okay. So now what we will do here, we will get x plus 3 here. Okay, we will get here x plus 3. Then here we will get 5x plus 10 plus 1. Okay, we will get this one. Then therefore the answer we will get is x plus 3 and in bracket 5x plus 11. So therefore this is our answer. I hope you have understood this one. this thing what I have teached you, the find the factors of the following trinomials. So I hope it is clear to you what we have to do in this type of questions when it comes in exam. So this was the last part of the chapter factorization. I hope you have understood it. So like my video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates, and share my video with all your friends and family. So tab tak ke liye bye bye, take care, thank you for watching this video.